I made a trip to Joann's and we bought this piece of vinyl, which will be used to replace this old piece of fabric. So the previous people who did this just stapled the fabric on and then glued this green piece over it. So I'm going to use this cloth tape measure to size the replacement vinyl. Alright, so I took the lid off so that'll be easier to reattach the upholstery, which I'll do now. So with the help of my lovely wife, we stretched the fabric and stapled it all down.